Hello techies, this is CompTIA Lab 14.1.4 and we are going to troubleshoot physical connectivity. So you are a network technician for a small corporate network. The employee in office 1 says they can't communicate with computer in office 2 and has asked that you come to their office to fix the problem. In this lab, the following IP addresses are used: networking closet, computer name is COP server, and 192.168.0.10. Office 1 is going to be 192.168.0.30. Office 2 is going to be 192.168.0.31. IT administration is going to be 192.168.0.33. Executive office is going to be 192.168.0.34. And let's see what our tasks will be in this lab. To use the following troubleshooting tools to diagnose the problem in the networking: the ping command utility, the network activity light for all networking devices, the network and internet status page found in the settings app. Fix the problem as necessary. Use the known good spec. Alright, so let's start up and let's go into the desktop. You want to open this and go into the terminal, and we're going to be pinging Office. Let's start with Office 1. Okay, the ping is successful, and let's go ahead and ping Office 2. Yep. Oh, ping could not find host Office 2. Okay, so let's go ahead and ping IT admin. Let's close this and want to go to flow overview and go into Office 2 and see why. So while in Office 2 desktop, I want to go to Start menu and we'll go to Settings. From Settings, you want to locate a network and Ethernet, and let's close this and to scroll to terminal and ping Office 1 again. Okay, could not find, so let's try pinging Office 1. Nope. So let's ping Office 2. Office 2 is now successful. So let's close this. We'll go over to the back, and while in the back you want to add So remove the Ethernet cable and we unplug it from here also. And we go to cables and we select another Ethernet cable. We'll plug in one end here and the other end. We're going to plug the other end in the CPU. And let's go into the desktop and look at settings. And settings, we want to go to network and Ethernet, and from there we want to check if this is not connected or not. It says not connected, which means something is wrong somewhere. So we'll go ahead and close that, and we'll go to the flow overview, and we want to go into the hardware. And we want to check if the problem is from here. So we unplug these. You unplug these. And we select this cable. And we'll plug one end here. And we'll plug the other end here. So we'll minimize this. I'm going to flow overview. And in flow overview, we want to go to hardware and let's see. Okay, I think it should be fine now. You can see the lights blinking. So let's go into settings and go to network and internet, and this is now connected. So we have been able to resolve the issue. So let's go ahead and close this and go back to flow overview, and let's go into Office 1, go into the desktop, go to Stats, and go to Terminal, and let's ping it again. So we're going to ping Office 1, and it is now successful. And let's ping Office 2. Office 2 is successful also. So let's go ahead and see how we do. And everything is fine. If you find this video to be helpful, consider joining my professional membership. And if you need to reach me, you can reach me through my email. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.